How you guys doing? So we're gonna get straight to the video. I will already tell you there's a lot of experimenting happening in this video. I have no structure whatsoever, and we're just gonna take it and run with it. We're flowing, not forcing, okay? So we started with the Instacolor old rinse I have in my house. I don't even know where it's from, probably Target. I'll just use the name of everything I use in the info section box below. I started coloring the hair and then I realized I didn't have enough, so then I found a purple rinse. I threw that in there too. The developer is used as a lightener, and plus I wanted more rinse. Then I realized I might have used too much developer and now I have too much rinse left over. What am I gonna do? You know, we're not letting anything go to waste at all. So I found another wig I made like, I don't know how many years ago. The construction of the wig is terrible, but that's besides the point. And I started coloring that wig. As I'm going, I'm like, don't have enough rinse. So then I use this brown rinse. Threw that in there. Threw some more developer. So now watch and see how it all came out.